Hey, I'm starting a new project, recoating this patio roof right here. It's an insulated panel, so I think they're about 2 inches thick. Styrofoam in the middle, metal on the top and the bottom, and you can see it's a lot of the paint is pretty much worn off, and all these screws, they put some goop on, but even they are starting to rust. So, and these seams, I'm not really sure that they don't seem to be too bad, but it's leaking down below. Okay, so what I'm going to do is scrape this down to make this even, and then put a fiber mesh on and a silicone coating over top of that. There's a special patch product, and then I'm going to put 2 coats on each of these seams and the screws, and then I'm going to coat the entire surface with an elastomeric silicone sealer. So we'll have one huge waterproof system on here. So the first thing I'm going to do, I think I'm going to scrape these off, scrape them down a little bit, put some chlorine and soap on it, spray it down with water, let it set to get the mildew off, pressure wash it, and then see where we stand. Okay, let me get to it.